It was a third attempt to document the sound outside. So started in the house so you can see that it's definitely outside. That's crazy. It almost sounds alive. There, it stopped again. I'm kind of panning the camera around. What do you make of that? It's absolutely like everywhere. It's not coming from anywhere in particular. Trip on that, folks. And again, so you see, it's outside. This is nothing I'm doing. You can hear it in here. That's my window. It's February 3rd on Sunday. It's about going on 10 o'clock now. It's been going off and on for about an hour almost. It's the third video I've shot. Again, there's nothing, absolutely nothing. There's stop. There's nothing 15 miles from me in any direction. What a trip. There's some more subtle sounds that are just bizarre going on right now too that may or may not be coming out. And the underlying humming, as you hear the hum. Now it's quiet again. Yeah, I gotta turn it off, so I don't have very much bandwidth up here on my internet connection, so I gotta upload this and There's definitely something going on.